Do you love playing in the swing? As soon as I put him in it this morning, like just a minute ago, he just got so happy. So happy and excited, huh? Yeah. How much do you love it? Do you love being in the swing this morning? Huh? Do you love it? Yeah. He just got fed. His diaper's clean. And you get to play. And Daddy's talking to you. Yeah? Can you say any more words? Sorry, I'm trying to make the video not so sick make you sickly. You keep looking at the camera. Look at that. Yeah. Good morning, happy baby. It's early in the morning. It's about, what time is it, Samuel? I don't know. It's like 6:40. I guess it's not that early. He's happy and alert, and he's loving the swing this morning. Huh. Yeah.